Natak. Drama. Natak. Drama. Natak. Drama. Natak.
Children have great potential for drama. So, but naturally, theatre is the most appropriate platform, according to me, to integrate several art forms and channel their energies to create beauty and art and meaning.
I am Pratna Chona. I am 10 years old. I study in class 5. I am playing the role of a narrator in the play My New Cheese.
Tell us your name and your age.
Gosh,
How old are you?
5.
What are you playing in this play? Say it louder.
Magical cheese.
Will you feel shy in the play also? No, na? You'll do it properly? Pakka? Okay.
My name is Rajuni Seti Papla Latwaladi.
Oh, are you going to be a mice or a what?
I want to be a butterfly.
Okay. What's your name?
Anya.
Anya. How old are you, Anya? 4. And what do you love to do?
I have to do art.
Art. And I think you love to sing and dance. Can you sing a song for us? Okay. Come. Bus. Now sing. Any.
Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Wherever you may go, it's good to see the show. Have you got a sunshine smile? I'll tell you the spell.
Okay. Tell me.
A-I-E-S-H-A.
That's the spelling of your name. Wow. And who kept your name?
Mama.
And what is the favorite thing Mama makes for you? And you? Rajma chawal. You love Rajma chawal. Can you act like you're eating Rajma chawal and enjoy it? Wow. What do I call you when I direct you in the play?
Him.
Hem. And what does Hem do? Does he go in this maze or not? Why?
Because he's scared.
Because he's play.
My name is Abhiraj and
We go after this.
my Sniff.
Sniff. And what is Sniff? Is he a human being or what?
He's a mouse. This play based on my book Who Moved My Cheese.
What do you love about the book?
When they found the magical cheese.
Yeah? We are imparting basics of theatre through simple exercises which they've really taken to and which they can use again and again. Louder. 1. Let's listen to Kashvi. More from the tummy. What they're learning is discipline, ability to respond, rhythms. Space, to be in a space together.
Go down, they become caterpillars. Caterpillars. Good. Now they wake up. Slowly they wake up and they become beautiful big butterflies.
Little things come up like diction, speech, and even issues of self-confidence, which I've been able to tackle with them through the course of the workshop. And I'm surprised that even in 7-8 days of of being together, I've seen a change in some of the children and their level of confidence.
कि जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है, इट्स अबाउट हैविंग फन एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट showing the God's character. You know, he's in different forms in every story. Somewhere he's brave, somewhere he's soft, somewhere he's cunning, somewhere he's right, somewhere he's doing the wrong things to prove what is right and wrong.
Right.
All of these things can only be depicted in a form of an enactment where they themselves become a character
Yes.
to go into the
Stories, the mythology, but what is the feeling? Because I notice a really embracive environment here. What is the feeling you want to share with them? What is the crux?
It's just love. That's it. That's what we've been told, just to love because and have fun.
Doing spicy. And everybody do yummy. What are we doing? We are making expressions. Now show us the spicy. And now you're scared of the doggy. In daily life, if you notice, there are many situations where there are negotiations, where there's a story emerging. So naturally those situations have conflict and storytelling potential. And when you start accessing that, you find drama unfolding even in the most mundane things.
Why? Why are you scared?
At Writer's Bridge, we encourage storytelling by the kids. Instead of making them a passive audience, we are making them active. And they are the tellers of a story.
Then also reach the big cheese where Sniffen's career. It's not finished. I'll tell more.
Oh, you have more story to tell us.
It's just one last one. And then in the last of the page, last page, him also comes and then they make cheese chair. Where is the magical cheese? I can imagine it. When you truly believe, you can change if you please.
I sincerely hope that these children will continue on the path of theatre, because as parents, this is one of the most wonderful gifts you could have given them.
We love theatre. Thank you.